Greetings to all. My topic for the presentation is Education as a Key Factor to Gross National Happiness, a Survey. The paper prepared by myself and co-authored by Dr. Vineet K.M., Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government College, Tiruponnurthura. Introduction. Gross National Happiness, GNH, is a measure of economic and moral progress. It is the total of collective measure of happiness and well-being of population. The term gross national happiness is introduced by Bhutan in 1917s. It is an alternative measurement of gross domestic product GDP. Gross national happiness implies that sustainable development should take a holistic approach towards notions of progress and give equal importance to non-economic aspects of well-being. The four pillars of gross national happiness are sustainable and equitable development, environmental conservation, presentation and promotion of culture, and good governance. Further, these four pillars are elaborated into 9 domains. Each domain is composed of subjective and objective. They are standard of living, health, education, environment, good governance, cultural diversity and resilience, psychological well-being, time use, and community vitality. Education is an important domain in gross national happiness. The formal and informal education ensure the citizen to gain knowledge about traditions, values, skills, creativity, and human capital. Education is the emergence of set of beliefs and attitudes of person's character and personality. Education influences the people behavior and action in a particular direction. Educational domain is subdivided into four indicators: literacy, educational qualification, knowledge and values. Table 1, Review of Literature. We have taken some reviews from different journals. All of these are explained about gross national happiness, education and its values. Statement of the problem. Gross national happiness is a measure of economic and moral progress of the country. Education is one of the key elements found to create positive impact in gross national happiness. It also helps the country to boost their economy, and it also gives power to take correct decisions. This study evaluates the importance of education in gross national happiness. Objectives: to study the happiness level of individuals, to evaluating education as a key factor of happiness, to study knowledge level of individual in different aspects of society. Methodology. The study is conducted using both primary and secondary data. Primary data is collected from the respondent through online survey with the help of Google form questionnaire. Secondary data collected from internet, social media websites, etc. The happiness scale items were adopted from Lubomirsky and Lepper 1999. Education scale item were adopted from official GNH questionnaire. The construct of happiness and education produced a Cronbach alpha of 0.713 for items and 0.868 11 items respectively, and found eligible for further analysis. The data was not found to be normally distributed. That means p-value less than 0.05 and non-parametric procedure are used to draw inferences. Analysis tables. Table 2 shows the profile of the samples. The various variables taken in the table are gender, education, and occupation of the samples. Table 3. It reveals the happiness and education index of samples using mean, median, z-test and p-value. Table 4. Awareness of gross national happiness concept. It shows the respondents' awareness level about gross national happiness concept. Table 5. It shows education parameters based on different domains. Table 6 shows the correlation analysis using Spearman rank correlation. Results. Happiness and education were found to be promising. Mean value greater than 3 and p-value less than 0.05. Awareness of the concept of gross national happiness was found to be moderate. Mean value 3.14, p-value greater than 0.05. Education has been found to be quite promising in different domains as per the instruments. It means mean value greater than 3, in which cultural, knowledge, political awareness, health awareness, skill and communication were included. Parameters as described in Table 5. Happiness was found to be significantly positively associated with the education index in the society. Discussion. Gross national happiness is a dream concept to be adopted by all humankind across different nations. The gross national happiness measures gives due emphasis to education as a key factor. For a state like Kerala, with higher rate of literacy, we can find meaning insight in this dimension. Thank you.